little there for now. Alright, this is probably the worst one. I told the customer, told him I'm not a big fan of doing this without replacing the rotors. He insisted and told me that he did not want to replace the rotors right now. So I told him this is better than nothing, especially because when you hit the brakes, only 25% is being used in the rear, 75% in the front. Right now the metal is literally touching the other metal. Okay, so it doesn't really get worse than this. The whole tread is gone, and it's just the metal hitting the rotor. This one has a little bit of life left, but not nearly enough. So first things first, we want to compress the brake caliper. So I can do that using this guy. Go all the way out. See? Alright, so that's a good fitment. It's right in there. You just have to turn it until it's flush. I don't know if you can tell, but it's getting there. Alright. And here are the brake pads for the rear, ceramics. Power Quest from Advanced Auto Parts. The rear's here. Alright. Close it off. So let's put these back in place. Let's put this one first. Okay. I'm gonna line this. Put this one in. Alright, I have to put the wheel back, the 5 lugs, and that should be good to go.